What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel where I share things all non-toxic lifestyle. So that means natural hair, clean beauty, wellness, and a little sprinkle of travel. So today's video is definitely going to be a hair one. You guys may not know, but I am definitely a wash and go kind of girl. I like to get in that shower, put my stylers in, boom, 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 let it dry, and just rock out. But I'm switching it up a little bit, and I am doing a twist out with just one styler. So if you're interested in seeing what that styler is and how the results came out, then keep watching. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair. I washed and conditioned it, and this is what it looks like. So the first step is to decide how you want to part your hair. I'm gonna do a side part because I kind of want more hair on one side. So I'm just going to begin parting my hair with my fingers. So for the front of my hair, I am going to do flat twist just because it's faster and I'll still get good results from it. Because I want the twist out to be really defined and neat, this is the one time where I'm actually going to use a comb to detangle my hair. But make sure you are very gentle with the curls. So for my styler, I'm using the tgin Twist and Define Cream. I love this stuff because it smells so good and it's black owned and also clean ingredients. I only use a non-toxic hair products on my hair, and this is definitely one of my favorite stylers. Another reason why I really love this line is the backstory. So the founder is Christia Donaldson, who's a Harvard Law graduate and a breast cancer survivor. And she ended up creating this because she was unable to find products for her textured hair. I love her passion for wellness, and I definitely think that this is a brand you should check out. So as you can see, I am flat twisting this section here. You can do it in two different directions. I chose twisting it towards my face, but you can also do it in the opposite direction. It just depends on how you want your hair to lay once you take it out. So for the second twist, I'm doing it in the opposite direction, away from the face. When you do yours, you can kind of choose whichever direction you'd like, or maybe experiment with both and see which one gives you better results. Make sure you take your time with it and go slowly, just so that there's no kinks or anything in the twist. You want it to be as nice and neat as possible. Here, I'm doing the exact same thing to the other side. So for the back, I'm going to do individual twists just because the hair is a little more complicated back here because I have different textures. Being able to take each section and twist it by itself helps me to enhance and control my definition. So this is what it looks like once I am finished. And this is about 2 or 3 days later. It took me longer than I expected to get to taking this hair out. But you'll still be able to see how the results will come out more or less. So now I'm gently unraveling each of the twists. I want to be very careful with it so I don't disturb the curl pattern, and just do each one by one. And this is what it looks like. Now I'll just fluff up my hair so that I create a little more volume and separate the curls where needed. and this is the final result. So that wraps up the video. Let me know what you guys thought of my twist out. I normally don't do them, but it was exciting to try it for a change. If you guys haven't noticed, this is the result. And I'm feeling it. It's defined, it's moisturized, has some volume, and it's super soft. So I am feeling the twist out. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it came out well? Would you guys try it? Also, what works well for you guys most? Do you usually do wash and goes, or do you prefer a twist out, or do you even do braid outs? I think maybe for the next video I will try a braid out. Definitely recommend what products you would like to see me use. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and hit the notification bell down below. That is it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.